Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Love, fineries, and sunset are staples at this split level Tudor-influenced residence with chimney and 4-car garage. Panoramic views of Kingston, Constant Spring Golf Course, and Caribbean Sea seamlessly flow from the front door to great room, to patio, to lawn. CedarLite roof, water fountain, and garden sculptures greet guests upon arrival. Heartwarming slate, Jerusalem gold limestone, and Guyanese hardwood flooring and doors. And intricate grillwork complements castle-like arches. Who could miss the grand chandelier and staircase? Then each bedroom has Hurd windows, custom closets, and ensuite bathrooms with jacuzzi tubs. Ground floor features a fireplace, library, office, great room, mahogany bookshelves, and sunroom. Adjoining the dining room is a butler's liqueur station, breakfast room and stately kitchen with Italian tiles, butler block island, and more. Staff accommodation includes 2-bed, 2-bath, and full kitchen. There is also fruit trees, dog kennel, and lawn space on this half-acre property. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.9 million or Jamaican $292.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.